Fine Chinaman here, and today we're going to start a new series of table place settings, something I wanted to do for a while. What I'm going to do for each place setting video is I'm going to tell you what the course would be for a meal and how I set the table accordingly to accommodate the meal being served. You may have multiple sets of china, and there may be situations where one set of china will work where other won't, depending on what pieces you have for the set. In this first example, we're looking at Florentine by Wedgwood in the turquoise color. So as you can see, I have both a salad plate and dinner plate in the center. I have a bread and butter plate off to the side, and I have a cup and saucer over here on the right. I also have a crystal water glass, and then I have my utensils as well as a napkin over here, and one other special piece that I'll talk to you about in just a moment. So let's assume this dinner is going to consist of a main course, maybe well, Thanksgiving's coming, a turkey course, main course, with also a salad and a roll. For dessert, there will be a sorbet or ice cream type dish. So let's take a look. You'd start with the bread and butter plate. Notice the butter spreader is on top, so that's ready for the guest. Over here is the napkin, so they have their linen napkin ready to be used. And then for the rest of the silverware, we work our way in from the outside. So in this case, our first thing after the bread is done will be the salad. So we have our salad fork here that would go with the salad plate. Once that is done, this salad plate and fork would be removed from the table. We then would be left with our dinner plate and our dinner fork, dinner knife, and our spoon. Once dinner is complete, we have one more piece on this table, and that is an ice cream fork. So that's for our dessert. Now we're not going to have the bowl on the table to begin with. We don't want too much on the table, and the ice cream needs to be served cold. So that would come later. One other very interesting piece that's on this table that is special about this place setting is that the knife is resting on what looks like a little barbell made out of crystal. This is a knife rest. Let me show it to you up close. It's made out of crystal, and these were very popular in the Victorian era. You can get reproductions, which this is, or you can get antique ones. What they're for. You may say, why on earth would you want to rest your knife on a knife rest? In Victorian days, cleaning table linens was not an easy task. So, the knife rest was invented in order to set the knife on as you're eating your dinner, so grease from the knife or other dirt or debris from the knife would not get onto your table linens. This allowed tablecloths to be used multiple times, unless of course we had some very messy eaters. Nowadays, they're more for decoration because we're able to clean our tablecloths much easier with washing machines, etc. Although, when you have a very decorative tablecloth like this one here, I would never put this one in a washing machine. So this would have to be hand washed. So it would be not so easy to clean. One note about this tablecloth, though, you may recognize it from a previous video I did about old world lace. This tablecloth would be for tea, though. This would not be a tablecloth for a formal dinner. Formal dinners were more linen in nature and not lace. I have a linen tablecloth actually for this table on order. It should be here this week. My particular table size is very hard to find tablecloths for, so I apologize that it is not the correct tablecloth for this meal. The flowers I got out of my yard today. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos. Remember, I'm going to be doing a special linen video coming up soon. Might be in the next couple weeks. See you next time.